Hi, you have reached RAAS customer service. How can I help you?
Thank you. I was wondering how I could place an order.
So you can go to the RAAS website. You can scroll and search for the item, choose the size that you want to, and add to cart, and put in your contact, delivery, payment instructions, and then you just click pay now.
Do you know what the shipping timelines are and like the delivery options that you guys have?
Orders are processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days. Overnight shipping is also available. Our most common one is economic shipping, which is estimated 7 to 10 business days, and it's free for US orders over $149. There's also priority shipping, which is a 2-day rush shipping via FedEx, Express, or USPS priority.
Have the sizing or the measurements work?
We have complementary alterations and side fittings for select gowns, dresses, and blouses. So after you receive a confirmation email, customers will get a measurement form. If the size is selected does not line up, they will be contacted.
What's your return policy?
We have a hassle-free 15-day returns.
All return requests must be initiated within 15 days of receiving your order, though. And to initiate a return, you should contact our customer service team. We are a US-based brand, so there's no international return hassles. And to be eligible for return, the item must meet all unworn conditions. It must be returned with their original tags and packaging intact.
Thank you so much. I'll go ahead and order my clothes.